Did you know that what's on your plate could impact your cancer risk? Let's break down some foods that research suggests may be linked to cancer, and how you can make healthier choices. First up, processed meats. Foods like bacon, hot dogs, and sausages are classified by the World Health Organization as Group 1 carcinogens. That means there's strong evidence they can increase the risk of colorectal cancer. The culprits? Chemicals like nitrates and nitrites used in processing, and harmful compounds formed when cooking at high temperatures. Next is red meat. Think beef, lamb, and pork. While not as risky as processed meats, regular consumption of red meat has been associated with a higher risk of colorectal cancer. Experts recommend limiting red meat to less than 18 ounces per week and opting for lean cuts when you do indulge. Sugar itself doesn't directly cause cancer, but high sugar diets can lead to obesity, a major risk factor for several cancers. Sodas, candies, and pastries spike your blood sugar and pack on empty calories. Swap sugary drinks for water or unsweetened tea, and choose naturally sweet fruits for desserts. Fried foods, especially those cooked in oils that produce trans fats, can also be problematic. When food is fried at high temperatures, harmful compounds like acrylamide are formed, linked to a higher cancer risk in some studies. Consider baking, grilling, or air frying as healthier alternatives. Alcohol is another big one. Excessive drinking increases the risk of cancers like liver, breast, and throat cancer. Experts suggest limiting alcohol intake to 1 drink per day for women and 2 for men, or skipping it altogether. While no single food guarantees cancer, making smarter choices can lower your risk. Focus on whole, minimally processed foods, and stay mindful of your portions. Small changes today can lead to a healthier tomorrow. What's your next healthy swap? Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more health tips.